Meet the Aiper Scuba V3 pool cleaner, featuring cognitive AI, smart navigation, and powerful cordless cleaning for a spotless pool. It cleans the floor, walls, and waterline automatically, so you can spend more time enjoying your pool. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Aiper Scuba S1 pool cleaner, charging dock, buoyancy foam, retrieval hook, charger supply, and user manual. Product overview. How to pair. To pair the Aiper Scuba V3 pool cleaner, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to enter network setup mode. Then, download and open the Aiper app, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone, and tap Add Device. Select Scuba V3 from the list and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Once connected, you can monitor the cleaner, adjust settings, and install firmware updates directly through the app. How to use. Place the Aiper Scuba V3 pool cleaner into the pool and fully charge the robot before its first use. Press the power button to start a cleaning cycle, and the cleaner will automatically scan the pool using its intelligent navigation system to clean the floor, walls, and waterline efficiently. During operation, it collects leaves, dirt, sand, and other debris in its built-in filter basket. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, retrieve the cleaner using the floating handle or retrieval hook, empty and rinse the filter basket, then recharge the robot before storing it in a cool, dry place for the next use. Maintenance. To maintain optimal performance, regularly empty and rinse the filter box and replaceable MicroMesh ultrafine filter, then allow both to dry completely before reinstalling them securely. Clean the propeller by removing any tangled debris, and wipe the camera and sensor with a soft, dry cloth to ensure accurate operation. Inspect the caterpillar treads and replace them if worn by removing the rear wheel and fitting the new tread correctly. Also, replace worn roller brushes by installing the new brushes and securing them with the silicone buckles. Check that all covers, screws, and components are firmly reinstalled before using the device again. Performing routine maintenance after each cleaning cycle helps ensure reliable performance, extends the device's lifespan, and keeps cleaning efficiency at its best. LED indicator. Smart features. Uses advanced cognitive AI to detect debris and map the most efficient cleaning path for complete pool coverage. It intelligently adapts its route in real time, reducing overlap while improving cleaning performance. Cleans the pool floor, climbs walls, and scrubs the waterline in a single automatic cleaning cycle. Provides complete pool coverage, removing dirt, algae, and debris from every surface. Delivers powerful suction to capture leaves, dirt, sand, and fine debris with high efficiency. The advanced filtration system traps even tiny particles, leaving your pool clean and crystal clear. The cordless design allows unrestricted movement without tangled cables for hassle-free cleaning. Its rechargeable battery delivers extended runtime, making pool maintenance convenient and efficient. Connect to the Aiper app to monitor the cleaner, select cleaning modes, and check its status. You can also receive firmware updates and manage settings directly from your smartphone. Intelligently detects obstacles and adjusts its path in real time for smooth, uninterrupted cleaning. This adaptive navigation helps maximize coverage while reducing missed spots and unnecessary overlap. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Aiper Scuba V3 pool cleaner. See you at the next one.